Now let us look at the means of communication. Means of communication means the application of communication technology. Now let us discuss this application one by one. The first application is a radio broadcasting. The radio broadcast station is used to transmit the information from radio station to the home. These broadcasts include speeches, songs, news, etc. This is used to communicate with the mass public. Even these radio stations are used for entertainment purpose, educational purpose, or for public awareness. Now the next application is TV broadcasting. In the television broadcasting, the picture or the video and the voice is transmitted. These are transmitted for the home viewers. These transmissions include news, speeches, and other entertainment program. Even these transmissions can be used for educational as well as industrial purposes and even for business advertisement, etc. The next application is cable television. In the recent few years, the number of TV channels has been increased. These channels are broadcasted using VHF or UHF frequencies. These higher frequencies solves many problems such as noise reduction and channel multiplexing. A coaxial cable is used to carry this channel to the home. Nowadays, the cable television or the cable has been replaced by a DTH systems. The next application is wireless or the remote control. These signals are transferred via air, that is called as wireless. The applications are missiles, satellites, robots, toys are controlled using a remote control device. Even we can take an example of a remote control for a TV or a car which locks or unlocks the door by using. Navigation systems are also part of communication systems. So these are navigation and direction finding services. These kind of systems shows you the location on the map or tells you the direction towards the destination. Global Positioning System, or in short GPS, is the best example of location finding system, which is also an example of an electronic communication system. Now, the next example of electronic communication is a telemetry. Telemetry means remotely measured, or you can measure the things remotely. The satellites are the best example of telemetry because we can forecast the weather by using the satellites. Even a short range rockets are used to measure the pressure, temperature in the upper atmosphere. All these are examples of a telemetry. The next is the most popular example of a communication, and that is a telephone. Its primary purpose is to communicate voice over the lines. It provides the communication link between two individuals. The next example is called as a facsimile or the fax. So facsimile scans the documents and convert them into an electrical signals. These electrical signals are then transmitted over the telephone line to the destination where the fax will receive these signals and convert it into again a documents or the pictures. We can send a documents as well as pictures through the fax. Now the next application is two-way radio. Government, military and industry uses two-way communication using a radio system. Or using this kind of technology, we can send the information between the two stations or to the vehicle or to the aircraft. You must have seen that police also uses this kind of radio systems to talk in between or with the vehicle. The next application of the communication system is a radar. Radar is a special kind of device which measures the strength of reflected signal from the metallic body. These reflected signals are used to find out the object in the skies like aeroplane, military aircraft, helicopters or drones. The next application is sonar. The sonar is underwater communication in which audible baseband signal is used. These signals are used to detect underwater objects such as submarine or underwater mines. This is also a part of electronic communication. The next application is the most popular example in the field of electronic communication, and that is internet. The internet is the most efficient way of communication nowadays. We can send a data or a file or email, and even we can have a video conferencing using internet. So nowadays internet is very popular for communication purpose.